So I want to have a conversation about credit scores, right? We all have a credit score. We see all these different, levels and 850 and 580 and all of these different things. I will admit to
Mhm.
never really following my personal credit score except when I'm getting a loan application. I want to talk to somebody who's been in the business for 20 years and ask, does a credit score even matter? If it does matter, why? And how does it play in today's mortgage industry? And to have these conversations, I have the one and only Stephen Dow. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. And yourself?
I'm doing very well. Do me a favor, hit that marketing thing, and then we'll get to talking about credit scores.
You got it. Although I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel are that of my own. So let's get it going again.
So again, one of the things that you undoubtedly asked for, or you've asked for over time, right, when you're doing home loans, is what do you think
Mm-hmm.
your estimated credit score is?
Right.
So let's talk about why do mortgage lenders and auto lenders, why does all these people want to know what your credit score is? What's really behind that?
Well, again, I mean, it's just a way to grade somebody's credit worthiness, meaning how much I can kind of trust you to pay me back if I lend you money. I guess at the end of the day, you know what I mean? So it's just like on anything, somebody's getting rated, right? Just like in school, A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's, right? So I'm just looking at basically your report card to
Yeah.
use in layman's terms of whether or not you're going to pay me back at all. You know what I mean? So, at least from the standpoint of my type of financing, because it's, non-traditional, non-QM or non-qualified mortgage, we kind of quote unquote hang our hat very heavily on a higher credit score. Cause for us, we want the higher quality borrower, but
Right.
also we recognize in the same light that, certain borrowers, even higher quality as far as repaying back or your credit, they have challenges as far as getting approved for financing because of how they have their taxes structured or how they, file their income tax, things of that nature. So from that standpoint, credit scores are very important for us. So we typically want at least a minimum 650 or higher.
Mhm.
Other lenders will go lower. I think even FHA will allow certain other leniencies. But as I'm seeing the market tightening up, those scores at least 650, sometimes even 700 with
Yeah.
certain lenders. And so it's in this environment for sure, as credit starts to tighten, your credit score is very important. So that's typically one of the topics of discussion with, newer investors or new buyers when they call me from this channel. We'll have
Yeah.
a kind of deeper dive to see, hey, what's your specific situation? Then we can see how we can, move forward with your specific circumstances and resources that are only available to you to kind of move forward.